Let's begin with safety at home. Safety rules you should follow in the house, at your home. You must follow these safety rules at home. What are the safety rules you must follow at home? Come, let's read. Never play with sharp objects like blades, knives, and scissors. They can cut your skin. Use them only in the presence of an adult. Children, never play with things like safety pin, knife, compass, stapler, blade, scissors. These are all dangerous items. You should not use them if you are sitting alone. Always use them if you want to use a scissor or a compass or a stapler. You should use in front of your parents under their guidance. Okay? Please remember, never play with these things. These are not things to play. These are very dangerous things. So always use them. If at all you want to, you should use them in front of your parents under their guidance. Second point, do not play with matchsticks or fire. They can burn your skin. Children, this is a matchbox. Never play with matchsticks. If you catch fire, you will get burned and it hurts a lot. So children, please keep away from these dangerous items: scissors, knives, safety pins, blades, matchbox, matchsticks, candles. Never play with these things. These are dangerous items. You might get hurt. You might meet an accident. Do not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heaters. They can give you an electric shock. Never play with electrical items also, children. When your mom is ironing your clothes or when it is a winter time and the heater is on, never ever go in front of these things. These will give you shock, electric shock, and you might meet an accident. You might get hurt. So always keep away from electrical wires, naked wires, plugs, sockets, irons, hot irons, heaters. These are very dangerous. Never play with such things. See, this is an electrical socket. It is given in your book. This is an electrical socket, electrical board. Never play with this. Never touch the gas stove and hot plates or peep into any utensils on stove in the kitchen. Children, you generally, when your mom is cooking food, you go and peep into the utensils. Never do that. You'll get a burn and it might hurt you. So never do that. Never go near the gas cylinder also. Never climb on windows and shelves. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Never climb on windows and shelves. You may again fall down. You will get hurt. Okay. Do not run down the steps. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Always walk down the step. Never be in a rush. You should never ever run and go down the stairs or go up. Never leave your toys on the floor. You may trip over them and fall down. Please keep your toys and things in their own places, in their proper places. If you drop them down, if you keep them down, if you leave them in other places, you might step onto that and you might fall down like this. This boy had left his toy car at the floor, and then he tripped over it and he fell down and he got hurt. So never do that, children. Safety in the classroom. You must follow these safety rules in the classroom. What are the safety rules? Come, let's read. Never push anybody or throw things at anyone, even in fun. Children, you should not push your friends or throw things at them. It might get hurt. They might get hurt and they might meet an accident. They might get hurt, might meet an accident. Then you will also get scoldings from your teacher and principal. So never do that. Never push anybody. Never hurt anybody. Do not jump on desks or run around the class. You may fall down and hurt yourself. See, this boy is jumping around the class on the desk. Never do that, children. First of all, it is a very bad thing to do. And secondly, you might fall and get hurt. Always sharpen your pencil with a sharpener. Never use a blade to sharpen your pencil. Always sharpen your pencil with a sharpener. I had shown you. See, this is a sharpener. Never use a blade to sharpen your pencil. You will cut your skin and get hurt. Never run on stairs. Always form a queue while going up or down the stairs. Children, if you remember, all the teachers, all of us keep on telling you, please move in a line, move in a line. So children, you should always move in a line while going up the stairs or going down the stairs. Always remember, you should form a queue, form a line and move up or down the stairs. Do not hang or swing on windows. If the glass breaks, it may hurt you. See this boy, what he is doing? He's a very notorious boy. He's swinging on the window pane. If the glass of the window pane breaks, what will happen? He will get hurt with the glass. So, never do this, never. So children, these were the safety rules which you have to follow. You should follow in the bus, on the road, safety in the playground, safety at home, safety in classroom, and now we will learn about first aid. First aid. Children, first aid is the first help that an injured person gets. When a person gets hurt or burnt, the first medicine, the first thing which we provide to that injured person is called first aid. And this is a first aid box. In a first aid box, you should always keep important things like a spray, medicines, antiseptic lotion, bandage, ointment, cotton wool, and you should also keep band-aids. Band-aid and bandage is different. I don't have a band-aid, otherwise I would have shown it to you. Children, this is my first aid box. You should all make a first aid box and keep at home like we have in school. After an accident, the first help that an injured person gets is called first aid. When we or any of our friends get hurt, we must keep calm and immediately tell an adult. Our teachers in school or parents at home are always there to help us. They give us first aid when we are injured. Whenever your friend is injured, you should go and inform some elderly person. They will help you to give the first aid. They will, if your finger get cut, then we will put some ointment, some antiseptic lotion or a band-aid, and that way we can provide you with the first aid. The first aid box at our home or school should have bandage and antiseptic lotion, band-aid, cotton, antiseptic cream, scissors, pain relieving spray, etc. The things which I have already shown you here in my first aid box. If the wound or cut is small, we should first wash it with water, then clean the area with a cotton having antiseptic lotion. Then tie a bandage or clean cloth over the wound. When we get a burn, we must immediately put the burn area under cold water or apply ice. Always remember, children, when you are burnt, if you get a little burn, then you should always wash the area with cold water and apply ice. That will relieve your pain. And the other things I have already told you. Now, if you have any doubts regarding this lesson, you can ask me in the online class. Okay, children, I shall send you the assignment. Till then, please read the lesson properly and be good to your parents. Don't use harmful things at home. Bye bye.